India is standing at the edge of a new transportation revolution. A future where vehicles do not burn petrol or diesel. A future where trains run without smoke, noise, or pollution. This future is powered by hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. When used as fuel, hydrogen produces only one byproduct. That byproduct is water. No carbon dioxide, no harmful gases, no pollution. This is why hydrogen is considered the fuel of the future. Hydrogen vehicles work using fuel cell technology. In a hydrogen fuel cell, hydrogen gas reacts with oxygen from the air. This reaction produces electricity, an electric motor. The only thing released from the vehicle is pure water vapor. Unlike electric vehicles, hydrogen vehicles do not need long charging hours. Refueling a hydrogen vehicle takes only 3 to 5 minutes. A full tank can give a driving range of more than 600 kilometers. Around the world, hydrogen cars are already on roads. Toyota Mirai, Hyundai Nexo, and Honda Clarity are popular hydrogen cars globally. These vehicles prove that hydrogen technology is safe, reliable, and practical. Now let us look at the situation in India. Currently, hydrogen cars are not available for public sale in India. But testing and research are already in progress. Toyota Kirloskar Motor is actively testing hydrogen fuel cell vehicles in Indian conditions. Indian companies like Reliance Industries are investing heavily in green hydrogen production. Tata Motors and Mahindra are also researching hydrogen-powered commercial vehicles. While hydrogen cars are still in the testing phase, hydrogen trains are becoming a reality in India. Indian Railways has started working on hydrogen-powered trains.
Hydrogen train, there are only 4 countries in the world which have been able to develop a hydrogen train. And most of the countries have developed trains with the capacity of about 500-600 horsepower. We in India, we have developed successfully a hydrogen train which is 1,200 horsepower.
These trains are designed especially for non-electrified and heritage routes. Hydrogen trains will replace diesel trains on short-distance routes. Hydrogen trains are silent. They produce zero emissions. They do not depend on diesel or overhead electric lines. Countries like Germany are already running hydrogen trains successfully. India is building its own hydrogen train, technology under the Make in India initiative. The real strength of hydrogen lies in green hydrogen. Green hydrogen is produced using renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Water is split into hydrogen and oxygen using a process called electrolysis. This makes green hydrogen completely clean and sustainable. India has launched the National Green Hydrogen Mission. The goal is to produce 5 million tons of green hydrogen every year by the year 2030. This will reduce oil imports, create jobs, and make India a global clean energy leader. However, hydrogen technology also faces challenges. Producing green hydrogen is currently expensive. Hydrogen storage and transportation require special infrastructure. Hydrogen refueling stations are very limited in India today. But every new technology starts this way. Electric vehicles also face similar challenges in the beginning. Hydrogen and electric vehicles are not competitors. they are solutions for different needs. Electric vehicles are ideal for city driving. Hydrogen vehicles are better for long-distance travel, heavy trucks, buses, and trains. In the coming years, India will first see hydrogen buses, trucks, and trains. Passenger hydrogen cars may become common after 2030. Hydrogen will not replace all fuels, but it will power what electricity alone cannot. India's hydrogen journey has already begun. The roads and railways of tomorrow will be cleaner, quieter, and smarter. The question is not whether hydrogen will work. The real question is how fast we can make it affordable. The hydrogen revolution is coming. And India is ready to lead it.